Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today I have for you a cash stuffing. We are going to be stuffing our bill binder, subscriptions, and cash envelopes for the week. If that is something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the rest of this video. All right, y'all, let's get into it. All right, so as I went over in my last video, the only thing I am stuffing in the bill binder today is going to be taxes. I am a server. I make $2.13 an hour, so it's not quite enough to cover my taxes for the year. So I'm currently putting in 5% of my serving income towards taxes, which is going to be $28 today. Now, I did go ahead and switch out prop money for taxes, so I'm just going to put this in here. I'm not going to be counting up taxes, okay? So that is it for there. And I'm not going to be keeping track over here either. Next up is going to be our subscription binder. We are going to be stuffing gym, which is $10. And let's go ahead and count this one. So we have 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So $40 towards gym. Next is iCloud, and that is getting its $3 for the month. So this will be $3 for June. All right, and next up is Amazon. Amazon is going to be getting $15 today. So Amazon now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, $93. And this one needs to be fully funded by the end of the month. So we've got to get some more going in here. So I get to color in 3 of the little Amazon boxes. All right, and as you can see, we are getting closer to it being fully funded. We just need a little over $40, so we should be able to hit our goal by July 2nd. That is going to be it for the subscription binder, and now we're just going to go ahead and move on to our cash envelopes. First up is my personal envelope, which always gets $25. So I did a lot of spending last week, so I'm now back to $20, $25, $30, $35. My husband's envelope is restarting for the month, so he gets $25. Groceries is getting $200, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. So let's add that in here. All right, so now for groceries, we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 3, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So we have $3.49 in our grocery envelope. Next up is gas. Gas is getting $50, so 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So gas now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 105 towards gas. Next up is pet care. Pet care is only getting $30 this week. So we've got 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So pet care is now up to 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Dining is going to be getting $40 this week, so 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All right, and we are up to 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. And fun is going to be getting $10. So we are now up to 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. And last but not least is miscellaneous, and miscellaneous is getting $5. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, and that is going to be it for today. This was kind of a quick video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything, please leave them down below. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Stay tuned tomorrow. We'll be stuffing sinking funds and savings challenges. We do have $197 left for those funds, so stay tuned tomorrow and see what we do with that. All right, y'all, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.